Welcome to my channel for Need Biology. In the previous classes, we have already discussed that how the chromosomes are transferred from one parent to the progeny to the next generation, from one generation to the next generation through gametes, and where the traits are actually present in chromosomal theory of inheritance we have already discussed. Today we shall discuss that who actually determine the sex in offsprings, that is the new individual that will born, whether it will be male or whether it will be female. Who is actually the determinant? It is a long debate in a science history, but it is now clear that in several organisms the rules is different. In case of humans, the rule is different. In case of grasshoppers family or in case of insects, the rule is different. In case of honeybee, the rule is different. So we will discuss today that what is actually the science behind the formation of male, behind the development of male and female organisms, male and female individuals. Who is actually responsible and what is the factor of development of such male and female heterogametic or homogametic organisms. So we will discuss today what is actually the X0 type of sex determination, what is male heterogamy, what is female heterogamy, what is parthenogenesis. So let's start today, that is from honeybee. Actually, in case of honeybee, this is the first example I have mentioned here. In this case, what happened? Actually, in honeybees, it is said that they don't have son-father relationship. That is, they don't have son and don't have father. Son-father relationship is absent, but grandson and grandfather relationship is there. So why the grandson and grandfather relationship is there, but no son father relationship is there? We will discuss here. So what happened in this case? The females, here the females, female bee have a 32 number of chromosomes they have, and when they lay egg during the formation of eggs, that is the formation of gametes, meiosis occurs in them. That is, we know that when meiosis occurs, the chromosome number reduced to half. So in eggs, the chromosome number, these are eggs. So in female eggs, the chromosome number is reduced to half, that is 16. Now here the eggs has two fate, that is either egg will directly develop into unfertilized organism, that is unfertilized egg directly converted into male without any fertilization. That is, this unfertilized egg from this egg directly the organism is developed. So from this, without any sexual reproduction, without any counterpart of male gametes, without any male gametes, from this egg directly egg is converted into a organism. These organisms are nothing but a male. These organisms are male. So in case of honeybee, males are developed directly from the female eggs. So this phenomenon is called parthenogenesis. You will see the same term in case of plant called parthenocarpy. So the parthenogenesis occur as a result, the all males have 16 number of chromosomes. So males are all haploid type in case of honeybee. In this case, it is necessary to say that they have three types of sex. In case of honeybee, they have females and males obviously, but in their social relationships, there is a three kind of social organisms in there in honeybee. One is queen. We know that queen only has a responsibility to laying the eggs, and the workers and queens are females and drones are males. So male's function is to only produce the organisms, that is they are drone. So females and workers, they are females, sorry, queen and worker is a female and drone is a male. So let's see what will happen with the males. So male has 16 number of chromosomes, male has 16 number of chromosomes, and this 16 number of chromosomes undergo mitosis. This is the most important thing, that not always meiosis occur during the formation of gametes. Sometimes mitosis also occur. In this case, mitosis occur and the sperms are developed. In this case, these are sperms. These are sperms. Sperms has 16 number of chromosomes. As the rules that gametes produce half number of chromosomes, but in this case, here the 16 number of chromosomes also, in this also 16 number of chromosomes, but the main organism is 16, and as a result of mitosis, 16 number of chromosomes is produced. No 8 number of chromosomes is produced here. So in that case, what happened? The 16 number of sperms, these sperms when meet this egg, unfertilized egg, I have mentioned that females has unfertilized egg, and unfertilized egg has two fate. One, either it is directly produced male organism, or it may fertilize with sperms, they may fuse with sperms and produce the organism that will always be female. So in this way, females and males are produced. So in this case, no son-father relationship is there, because here when father is involved in the sexual reproduction, never produce a male organism. So son and father relationship is absent total. And only grandson and grandfather, only grandson and grandfather relationship is here. Why? In this case, when female is produced, so it has, female has father also and mother also. When this female is produced again the organism, that is the male, so male has grandfather and this male is grandson. So in this way, they have a grandfather and grandson relationship, but they don't have any father and son relationship. So they have a father and daughter relationship. So daughter's son is grandson, and daughter's father is grandfather in this case. So in this way, this is a honeybee sex determination occur. Then we will discuss about XY type of sex determination. In case of human beings, what happened? The males has 46 number as well as female has 46 diploid number of chromosomes. They have 46 number of chromosomes, 46, and out of 46, 44 are autosomes and 2 are sex chromosomes. That is, these 44 are autosomes, 44 chromosomes present in each cell determine the total outer structure, total outer body characters, behaviors, all things except sex. And 2 chromosomes, in case of male, these 2 chromosomes are, one is X and another is Y. So apart from the autosomes, they have 2 sex chromosomes. In case of female also, apart from autosome, they have 2 sex chromosomes. In case of female, 2 X chromosomes are there. In case of male, 2 XY. In this case, apart from the autosome, the 2 X chromosomes are there. Now in this case, humans, that is, male are produced as a result of fusion of X and Y. That is, in this case, a male is heterogametic. That is, 2 types of gamete will produce. One gamete will be of X chromosome containing gamete sperm. One sperm will of S chromosome type. Another sperm will be of Y chromosome containing sperm. So this is called male heterogamy, where male is produced 2 kind of gametes. During the meiosis, 44 chromosomes will be reduced to 22, and out of the 2 X and Y, either will be present, either X will be present or Y will be present. When X will be produced, this is X containing chromosome, X containing sperms, and when Y is produced, Y is inserted, then Y chromosome containing sperms will be developed. So 2 types of sperms are developed. In case of humans, males produce 2 types of sperms. Female, in case of female produced only 1 kind of sperms, eggs. that is one kind of egg that is in that sense, that is they have a 46 number of chromosome, out of 44 are autosome and 2 are X chromosome, and during the formation of gametes either X is present. So if we consider that they have 22 plus X, that is as a result of meiosis 44 chromosome is reduced to half, that is 22, and 2 chromosome is reduced to half, only X chromosome. So females are homogametic in this sense and males are heterogametic. So when males fertilization occur and males sperms contain X chromosome containing sperm fuse the egg. When X chromosome containing sperm will fuse the egg, so X chromosome containing sperm will fuse the egg. Egg always contain X chromosome. When X chromosome containing sperm will fuse the egg, it will produce female baby. When Y chromosome containing sperms will fuse the egg, it will produce male baby. So the determination of male or female child, production of male and female child is totally dependent on males chromosome, X and Y chromosome on a sperms, that is X containing sperms or Y containing sperms. So it is total determination. But in society, what you will see that in society females are actually accused, in our society, in Indian society, where females are accused for developing female child. So it is a wrong idea and it is a superstitious belief, no science behind it. Science is actually here, that is males are responsible for the formation of gametes and males are responsible for the formation of X and Y containing chromosome containing gametes, and that gametes will determine the male or female baby. So this is a XY type of sex determination. Now in case of insects, here is Drosophila is given, but actually in insects, not all insects, some insects like grasshoppers, where X0 type of sex determination is there. In case of grasshopper, X0 type of sex determination is there. What is actually X0 type? Before I am describing the Drosophila, Drosophila is same like that of human being. In case of Drosophila, in case of grasshopper, what happened? Grasshopper has males and female individuals separate already, and females are actually of double X containing chromosome. The females are of double X, that is they have autosome and 2 X chromosome, and males are X0 type, that is they have 1 X chromosome only. So in this case also, in grasshopper, they will produce 2 type of gametes. Male grasshopper will produce 2 type of gametes, because when they will produce only X type of chromosome, X chromosome containing gametes, that is sperm, or they will produce another sperm that do not have any kind of sex chromosomes. So they will produce, the male grasshopper will produce 2 types of gametes. One gamete with X chromosome type, one gamete with X chromosome, one sperm is X chromosome type, another type of sperm is no sex chromosome type of sperm. So what will happen? Female will produce only one type of gametes, that is egg with X chromosome. When this sperm will fuse the egg, then we will produce the female. When this sperm will fuse with the egg, this will produce male individual again. So male and female in this case also determined by male and female individual will produce or not will determined by the male grasshopper, that is the sperms of male grasshopper. There are 2 types of sperms. This is also a heterogametic type of male sperm production. So this one is very important in this case. So we will discuss in this case in Drosophila. Drosophila is little bit separate from the grasshopper, although they are also insect. This is a XY type of. In case of female, in case of this male have a X chromosome and Y chromosome like that of human beings, where the male will be determined by the XY chromosome along with a set of autosomes. Here also 2 X chromosome is there and autosomal set is there. So in this case, like that of human, when two X chromosome is there, they will produce female. So, as a result of meiosis, only one X chromosome is there in egg, and in case of, this is also heterogametic type of male gametes. What is the one male gamete of X chromosome type? Another male gamete will develop with the Y chromosome type. When Y chromosome containing sperm will fuse with the egg, then the female male will develop, and when X chromosome containing sperm will fuse with the egg, it will produce the female individual. So, in this case, another important thing in case of Drosophila, that they have a rules of common, that is autosome sex chromosome ratio, autosome and sex chromosome ratio, autosome by sex chromosome ratio. In case of if autosome sex chromosome ratio will be 1, then individual will always be of female, and if the autosome sex chromosome ratio will be 0.5, the individual will be always male. If autosome and sex chromosome ratio is more than 1, the organism will be super female, and less than 5 super male. So, how it is possible? Suppose here the individual, where the female individual will discuss that female individual have autosomal set, 2 autosomal set, always female individual have 2 autosomal set, one autosome has come from male parent, another autosome from female parent. So, 2 autosome and have a 2 X chromosome females. So, always a 1. So, females are of 1, autosome sex chromosome ratio is autosome and sex chromosome ratio, X chromosome, autosome X chromosome ratio is always 1. So, in this case it is important, and when in case of male it is only X chromosome is 1, autosome X chromosome ratio is 1. So, 2 by 1 is 0.5 when it will produce the male. So, this is very important. In case of hen, here the already you have discussed that is males are heterogametic, but in this case females are heterogametic. Here the females have a ZW type of chromosomes, sex chromosomes, and males have ZZ type of, that is the homogametic. Male sperm will produce only one type of sperms, they have only produced Z containing sperms, and female will produce 2 types of eggs. That is, when the female will produce Z containing eggs, the Z containing egg, Z chromosome containing egg, then this will produce males. But when female will produce W containing egg, then this will be female. So, here the determinant of female is a main determinant, not male. But in all cases, in the previous cases we have discussed here that the males are the main determinant. So, today it is the sex determination in different organisms. It is most important and confusing. So, let's proper note. Thank you.